Hello. Today I want to introduce you to the Nedfin Health Monitor. It was developed by Nedbank and is an annual survey. It assesses and tracks the financial health of working South Africans. Just as you might monitor your physical health through blood pressure, body mass index, or glucose levels, the Nedfin Health Monitor provides a financial health score, a key metric to help guide your financial actions and decisions. Why is this important? Think of it this way. If your glucose levels are high, you know you may need to adjust your diet, exercise, or seek medical help. Similarly, if your financial health score is low, you want to identify areas such as spending, saving, borrowing, or planning that you want to make some improvements on to help your overall financial health. By tracking and improving your financial health score, you take small but positive steps to create a healthier financial future.